Hello, my name is Haley Frizzle, and today I'll be showing you how to access and use the ARTstor database. ARTstor is a digital library containing images in the areas of art, architecture, the humanities, and social sciences. It also provides users with a set of tools to view, present, and manage images. To begin, click on the Databases tab located on the top navigation section of the Art History LibGuide. From there, you will see a list of art history databases. ARTstor is the second option. After clicking on the link, it will take you through a proxy server through the University of Missouri, where you may be prompted to log in with your university credentials. After this process is complete, you will find yourself on ARTstor's homepage. This page includes information about ARTstor, including webinars, blog entries, and teaching resources. In order to access the ARTstor database, click the ARTstor Digital Library link in the top right corner. The ARTstor Digital Library homepage is equipped with a navigation bar, a search box, featured collection blogs, and newly added collections. To view ARTstor collections, you can browse by specific collection, or you can use the search box on the home page. For example, I will search for Edgar Degas. I am then presented with the results page, where I can either browse the 448 results, or I can refine my search by editing the faucets on the left side of the page. Here you can refine it by collection type, geography, classification, contributor, or date. If I am only looking for Edgar Degas paintings, I can refine my search to 27 results. Once I find the artwork I am looking for, I can click on it to view more details. For example, I will click on Dancers by Edgar Degas. This page provides me with a high-quality image that I can zoom in or zoom out, as well as item details. The item details includes creator, title, work type, date, measurements, repository, collection, and source. I can also read the image's rights and ownership. For example, this particular image is in the public domain, provided by the Metropolitan Museum of Art. If I wanted to use this image, I could download it or print it, and I can also view the corresponding citation information. To go back to the results, click on the Back to Results button, where you can refine the results further or begin a new search. This concludes the ARTstor database tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me through my email located on the Art History LibGuide, or locate the support link on ARTstor's homepage for detailed assistance.